What's up guys? In this tutorial, we'll be guiding you through how to delete Capital One shopping account. So stick around to the end to understand the steps in doing this. We will be explaining the two methods of doing this, either with the mobile app or through the website. Remember, it is possible that you have your rewards which you've earned while using it. So to avoid losing any rewards you've earned, make sure to redeem them for e-gift cards before completing the steps we're going to mention. If you're using the mobile app, these are the steps to follow. Open the mobile app and go to the settings page. Click on the Delete Shopping Account button. You will have to acknowledge the statement, I understand that any accrued rewards will be permanently lost by clicking the toggle switch button. After that, you can click on Permanently Delete Account. Now, if you would like to use the website, you'll need to go to the Account Settings page. In order to do this, you'll need to log in. The link to this is in the description. Then when you're in your account, you'll need to click on Delete Shopping Account button. After clicking on the Delete Shopping Account button, you'll need to acknowledge the statement displayed. I understand that any accrued rewards will be permanently lost by clicking the toggle switch button. After that, click on Permanently Delete Account. And using these two options, whether it's on the mobile app or on the website, you'll be able to delete your Capital One shopping account. Let us know if this was helpful and thanks for watching.